Well, a new customer wants to move in. In this video, we're going to show you how to use 6Storage software to make that happen. From the dashboard page, simply click on the Move In icon. The first thing you'll notice is that we have the option to move in an existing tenant. Now, this is someone who may have rented from you before, or it's someone who needs a second locker. For today, we're going to use a new tenant. The data added is very straightforward and intuitive. If you need any help, there should be a black I button, which is a hover over information tool. Email is required if you're going to use any type of digital documents or automated receipts or automated payment. The identity documents are customizable under your user account. The Upload Documents function is used if you're going to keep a digital file of the identifying document, for instance, a scanned driver's license or utility bill. Under the Move-In Information heading, you can select all the data relevant to where the tenant is moving into, including building, unit group if you organize that way, unit number, tax rate, move-in date, invoice period, and invoice recurring. The software automatically prorates, assuming you want to use the first of the month as your billing cycle. So your tenant will pay a percentage of the month based on the date. Your invoicing period could be from single days up through annually. Your invoice recurring is either going to be on the first of the month or on the anniversary date that your tenant moved in. Next, we'll cover security deposits, unit rent, and then total for the invoice. After the security deposit, if your tenant would like to make any additional periodic payments, we can do that here. This will automatically add to their initial invoice and be tracked in their tenant record. Next, you'll see your tax rate, any discount that you've applied, the option to send the invoice out over email, and any additional comments that you feel are relevant. The next tabs are customizable under your account settings. If you offer insurance services, you can add them in here. Alternative details, supply an area to put additional authorized persons or emergency contact information, again, customizable and not required. Under merchandise is where the total bill will be tallied for your tenant. This includes the locker rental and any additional services or hard goods that have been purchased at that time. This is also the place to put an overall discount on the locker. For instance, if you have a multi-month discount or a veteran's discount, this is where you would apply it here. Discounts are set under the admin section under discounts. In this section, once it is totaled and discounts are applied, you can then select payment. Lastly, under payment details is where you will apply any additional discounts and see the total for all services and merchandise purchased. In order to apply a discount, you have to select the portion of the invoice that is going to be discounted, and then either select the custom discount or select a standard discount, which has been preloaded under your admin section under discounts. You will then see a grand total and the option to preview your sales invoice, preview your lease agreement, which could be printed or emailed, save the record, or clear and start over. You'll then see the total and select payment type. If you select credit or debit card processing, you will then be taken to your virtual terminal to complete the transaction. Once your transaction is complete, you will save it, and then you'll have the option to email your tenant a welcome letter and a lease confirmation should you choose to. Make sure you are keeping a paper copy and wet signature for all of your lease information and records.